Welcome to J. Patel Mahila Science College. In chemistry previous lecture discuss about aryl halide. What is aryl halide? Definition after common formula of aryl halide and IUPAC name. This type of topic discussed in previous lecture. So today's discuss about preparation of aryl halide. In aryl halide compound, definition is compound containing halogen attached to aromatic ring. Compound containing halogen attached to aromatic ring is called aryl halide compound. For example, chlorobenzene, here compound containing halogen means Cl attached to aromatic ring means benzene ring. So example is chlorobenzene, and common formula of aryl halide is ARX. Here AR is benzene ring or phenyl ring, and X means halogen compound chlorine, fluorine, bromine and iodine, and example of aryl halide is chlorobenzene. And after discuss about IUPAC name of aryl halide like chlorobenzene, bromobenzene, iodobenzene. The simple nomenclature of IUPAC is halobenzene means chlorine attached in benzene ring, then IUPAC name is chlorobenzene. Bromine attached to benzene, then IUPAC name is bromobenzene. Now today's discuss about preparation of aryl halide. How to prepare aryl halide compound? The aryl halide compound is prepared by two. First is halogenation reaction, and second one is diazonium salt to prepare aryl halide compound. Halogenation reaction is a common reaction. This is discussed in 12th science. Now first of all, halogenation reaction. In halogenation reaction, catalysts are used, and halogenation reaction is in presence of Lewis acid. Means halogenation reaction are continue in presence of Lewis acid. For example, in benzene ring, here this is the benzene is reaction first discuss about the halogenation. Thus benzene react with halogen like bromine. This is the bromine. Here halogenation reaction, benzene react in halogen in presence of Lewis acid. Presence of Lewis acid and FeBr3. Now the reaction of benzene and bromine in presence of Lewis acid to prepare a bromobenzene, and here one hydrogen is replaced and here one bromine attached to the benzene ring and another bromine react with hydrogen and HBr is the byproduct. This is the name of bromobenzene. Second example of halogenation reaction, here benzene react with halogenation reaction. Here example is bromine. Now chlorination means Cl, chlorine in presence of Lewis acid and FeCl3 to produce chlorobenzene, and HCl is the byproduct. Same iodination product is possible in halogenation reaction. Second one is preparation of aryl halide by preparation of aryl halide by diazonium salt. First of all, what is the diazonium salt? Diazonium salt is in benzene ring. Here N2 and S. Nitrogen have a positive charge and halogen have a minus charge. This is the structure of diazonium salt. In our knowledge, how to prepare diazonium salt? So, in presence of aniline NH2, this is the aniline. Aniline react with acid like HCl, HBr, HI and sodium nitrate NaNO2 with 0 degree temperature to produce diazonium salt. This is the diazonium salt. This is our knowledge how to prepare the diazonium salt. But today's discuss about preparation of aryl halide by diazonium salt. So, in presence of diazonium salt, this is the diazonium salt N2 plus and halogen have a minus charge. This is the diazonium salt. In diazonium salt, to prepare the aryl halide, so diazonium salt react with CuX or HCl. Then here nitrogen is replaced in diazonium salt and halogen compound attached to the benzene ring. Here nitrogen atom is replaced. Nitrogen atom is replaced and chlorine atom is attached to prepare the chlorobenzene. chlorobenzene. Diazonium salt react with copper halide in presence of HCl to prepare the chlorobenzene. Same reaction here, CuX means CuBr and HBr to produce bromobenzene. Here nitrogen atom is replaced in bromine and produce the bromobenzene. Here nitrogen atom is replaced, so byproduct is N2 and halogen atom is attached to the benzene ring. This is type of reaction to prepare the aryl halide by diazonium salt. And another way to produce the iodobenzene. The iodobenzene reaction is simple. Here potassium iodide react with diazonium salt, then produce iodobenzene and nitrogen is the ring. This is the iodobenzene. So diazonium salt to prepare out chlorobenzene, bromobenzene and iodobenzene in presence of copper halide and acid. So simply discuss, diazonium salt react with copper halide and acid to produce the halobenzene. When CuX present, here halogen compound states. When CuCl present, here chlorobenzene, CuBr, then bromobenzene and Ki, then iodobenzene. This is the reaction to prepare the alkyl halide by diazonium salt.